Module 3 of our class. Again, this is SCI 218, Natural Resources. I'm going to go ahead and share screen so that we are all on the same page as to what is due for this week. So again, to get to Module 3, just simply on your left-hand side here, just click on Module 3, and then it comes up to water. So we're going to go through all the natural resources. Last week, we did one of the other natural resources looking at air, and then this week, we're going to look at water. So water, how would life survive without water? You know, we are made of a lot of water. Our globe is, I believe, it's like 78% water. Water is considered they consider it to be renewable natural resource that is essential to life. And whether we consider that to be really renewable or not is anybody's kind of argument there. So the module introduction here is going to take just a brief look at water, like what we're going to be learning about, looking at views of natural resource use, looking at the importance of freshwater use as well too. And then the overview here, again, just a quick little blurb about water and how much water cover. It says 73%, but that can vary a little bit here. Looking at the water that's actually frozen as well too, which is very important because we're not able to get to it. And should we be able to utilize that water resource that's frozen? Excuse me, the readings and resources here. So what you'll be expected to read from your textbook, pay attention to chapter 3 and a portion of chapter 10 looking at the hydrologic cycle. There's some extra resources as well too. So reviewing the world water resources and looking at the Colorado River and some of the issues going on with who should bear the brunt of the future water cuts. And then all you have is one discussion for this week. So again, your initial discussion post due by Thursday, your 2 follow-up responses due by Friday. So this is looking at water treatment plants and how it provides potable water use and wastewater treatment options as well, especially areas that are arid or have very few water resources. How can these infrastructures be provided here? So for this discussion, you're going to research a conflict right here that relates to a water supply or water quality issue. The conflict can be anywhere in the world. For example, a lot of people post about the Flint water crisis in Michigan, Flint, Michigan. In your initial post, you're going to summarize the conflict. So what's going on? How do water rights, water access, water accessibility relate to the conflict? How does water impact the human health? Would this conflict differ if this wasn't occurring in a developed world versus developing, if it is in a developing country? And then explain your reasoning. And then after you read through your classmates' posts here, you're going to select 2 posts and comment. So are there similar reasons behind these water conflicts? So comparing your conflict with your classmates, and also, has there been a resolution to the conflict? Do you feel that resolution is really truly sustainable in protecting the water resources for all? If not, what suggestions do you have to further protect the water resource and make sure that it is available for now and for future generations? So again, all you got to do is the initial post that's due Thursday and 2 follow-up responses due Sunday. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to this. This is very interesting, looking at different conflicts all over the world. So I look forward to reading your posts and then the comments as well.